Hello, what's going on everybody? We are back on the old water. Me and Fern and I decided to go down to the old Oasis for a little white bass check-in. Brayman and I went to Canyon Lake like 3 or 4 weeks ago to check on the white bass run, and we didn't have a whole lot of luck. We couldn't find a big school of them like we're used to down here, and so I figured let's just go back. Fern hit me up, he said, "You want to go to the Oasis?" Duh. So figured if we're gonna fill up a freezer, let's come here. So again, we're gonna paddle like 3.5 miles upriver. I don't know, it always takes forever to get to our suggested spot, but it's supposed to be a pretty good day for white bass. At least when we've caught them, they've always preferred overcast with a little bit of wind, so that is what's in our forecast. But we're gonna get you guys thrown on the GoPro, see if we can get into a school of white bass. Like I said, we're trying to fill a freezer, so 50-man limit is what we can get. Again, if you're out here trying to catch white bass, they're 10-inch minimum and 25 per person, so just keep that in mind if that's what you're trying to do. Broke it.
Think so?
Yeah, it for sure did. Time for a little replacement. You brought it. Yep.
Oh yeah, this sounds nice. How much are they?
Dude, I can't even find them.
Really?
Because it's so old.
So you just had an extra?
Well, I went on eBay. I found one on eBay, and I looked for like a full day at work. I was trying to find this prop. They don't make them anymore, so I'm eventually gonna have to buy a new one. First incident, the prop that I fixed snapped, and figured that was gonna happen when I hit something. Literally the first thing I ran into, it snapped. So put on the spare prop and continue on upriver. Come on, we have fish in there that wants this. Nope. You on?
Yeah, stay right there. And cast,
Cast up?
yeah, cast 16. Yeah, stay right there.
You think there's a pocket right here?
Yeah. A little further.
Just keep pushing them back and forth to each other?
Yeah. Yeah, just stay right there and like that. Yeah.
If we're trying to limit out, it's a keep them all kind of day.
Yeah. Keep going upstream.
Here we go. Got one, Fern.
Nice.
Is it the Gasper gill? Nope.
That's the top.
I hope.
Looks like a top eight.
Yeah, 7.5. You wanna? Got it. Yeah, you stay. Oh, got another one. You're right. They were like in that one spot. This guy looks bigger. Feels bigger. Yeah, he's bigger. They keep hitting that one that you just gave me, the white and green one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up in there, right?
Over, yeah, between where that, like, where those two cardinals are at.
Mm-hmm.
Just doing like little circles. I just remember there's a shitload of cardinals here. There we go. Go, Fern.
Oh yeah. Caught one, you caught all of them.
You shouldn't have told me, dude.
Yeah, I don't know why I always do. Try to be a good friend.
He's touching, but it's like
Yeah, no thanks.
Yeah. Grass just as green on the other side?
No. Not worth this.
Oh.
Feed the fucking umbrella.
Smash the A-rig.
Look at your pedal. Oh shit.
Served on a poo-poo platter.
Well, cheers, brother.
Cheers, bruh.
It's actually not that bad.
Good. Now one is like flying because we have a tailwind.
Yeah. He's gonna be a bitch getting back. You gotta conserve that battery, bro.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, and he looks beast too.
Taco?
He's a taco.
Work paid off? Shit.
How did you get caught, guy? Very strangely.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, let's pull over then. We got tacos. We might have found a little honey hole. I don't know how deep it is. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll try this spot for a little bit.
Went left hard.
Taco? Alright, so we decided to pull over. Fern and I got back to backs. And as I was walking this way, there's a noticeable drop off. I thought I was about to be in the water. And we think they're kind of stacked in this.
Yeah, like 45 degrees.
Yeah, I think there's a deep canal right here. We'll see. And you didn't get bit. No, when I got bit. Yep. Oh, this one's not bad too. Let me bring him over to you. This is when we need it on your body. A little,
yeah, that's true.
because we got to keep walking it back to the kayak every time. I'll take my friend for a walk here. I'm gonna do the old-fashioned. This is what the pros do.
I guess you don't want to do it here because of the gators.
I didn't even think about that. Hopefully I don't lose a leg.
Be good content.
Yeah, he lost a leg. Yeah, dude, it's in that same spot. Just cast, right? Like where that, see that bush?
This your bush? You have a special bond with this bush?
Do you want to be with your friend? Do I need to measure him? He might be immeasurable.
Watch your dick.
Oh yeah, get hit in the nads. Yeah, he's too close. He was like a 10-ish, maybe not even 10. Back to my sketchy little cliff there. Hey, you ate it! He must have been chasing that for a while. Yep. Oh, there's another one, dude. We are in the money. Hey.
Oh, shit.
Did you find the cliff that I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Definitely 10.
Yeah. You on them, boy.
I know. It's awesome that this is how it works. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's see if we can go. Where's the cliff? There it is. Over here, there's this bush. I don't think I got the cast right that time, but oh, dude, they're definitely in there still. I just got thumped. I don't think my tandem's swigging. Oh, there he is again. We can't even put this thing up. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I was about to just put him down like he's gonna stay there. Just stay right there, dude.
You're gonna go up there and they'll be like, what the f happened?
We definitely didn't find a school of them. Definitely didn't. Just do a single tie here.
Yeah.
find the sketchy spot. So that's the first step. That's not it. There it is.
Damn it, I got hit again. Super close.
I think that so they're stacked right there and they just chase it all the way in. Yeah. Either that or they're in this canal right here.
Yeah.
Dang. First cast in 3 or 4 casts that didn't have a fish on the end of it. I forget how fun it is to like
Catch these little bastards?
yeah, and you don't even have to try.
Oh, you don't.
I'm wondering if I could throw my A-rig in now.
This one's a good one.
Yeah, he looks good. There's the thing.
Oh, he got doubled up.
Oh, he got stuck in the fence. The like
A hammock?
yeah, the hammock. Thank God we put in the 0.02 mile effort that no one else is willing to put in.
Yeah.
My
This
rig
one-
is messed up.
Look at the white one.
The one furthest up?
No, yeah, the one furthest up.
Interesting. If I don't catch any more, then I'm gonna have to cut and retie. So maybe they just haven't gone this far, or because it's so pressured right there. So it doesn't matter, but this guy's extremely tiny. I will say, every time I've come out here, we've caught fish.
Yeah.
We ain't getting skunked.
No.
But we haven't caught a Gaspergoo yet. Nor a crappie.
We gotta go to Gaspergoo Way.
Gaspergoo Alley, or
Oh, yeah.
whatever it's called. They all hit it in the same-ish area. Like you go, that's shallow, there's a little
Yeah.
dip right here. No, I didn't catch one. Did they move up away from the bush? Are they off
Yeah.
the special bush?
Is it your special bush?
Down to the big top.
It looks
there.
like a good one. With them. It's a
But-
lot of work to get a tiny little nugget.
I don't mind. For my buddy, if he's caught enough, he'll fucking do a fish fry.
Now that would be fun. Damn, dude, we like doubled the amount real quick. Oh, man, okay.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, okay, let me walk this guy over. Biggest for me, I think, of the trip. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's been beat up by something. That's a nice taco right there. Got a little beat on him, but dang. We just found our special bush.
It's always the bush, bro.
There's always some sort of landmark. So we did have to put in even more work than we put in last. It's like every year we have to go further upriver. Might have to move upriver if we don't get bit in
In
5 seconds.
You get pinch the tail on these, right?
Yeah, I feel like when they talk about measuring on TPWD's website, they talk about pinching the tail. Okay, we're not going anywhere. He's coming to you.
I wasn't trying to walk out there.
Yeah, you got more distance on your rod and reel than I do. This little 4.5 footer.
They're fun to fish though.
Oh yeah, it's fun because everything feels huge. There we go. He's coming to you. Un taco or not? Un taco. It does seem kind of short. He's close. Not playing that game. Am I good to go? Just keep going. I'm not gonna run you over. There we go.
Don't go too far.
You just go until you don't catch him anymore. He looks good.
We're just fucking pushing him upstream a little bit.
I think we might be. I think you're right.
Taco. You got more overcast.
And that's when things started turning up. And the wind kind of picked up too there for a bit. Okay, literally they just moved like 2.5 feet to the right. This one feels a little better. No Gaspergoos though. Damn, what happened to us? We went from nothing to a lot of them.
Slow day, man.
Yeah, slow day. We were definitely not up here for an hour for no reason, but if anyone asks, it was terrible. Folks at home, we're not doing too bad. We got away from the masses. This is definitely the busiest I've ever seen it. I think we're gonna head back downriver. Saved as much juice on the battery as we could. The battery did a lot of work this morning. I think that's gonna wrap it up for us. We are headed back downriver. We did way too many miles today. Put in way more work than everyone else, and it paid off, but Fern and I are both feeling it. Even with the motor, it was exhausting. Went like 4.5 miles upriver. Managed to do a one-man limit, so I think that's good enough for us. People back in the day, we were talking to a guy, they'd keep like 400 white bass, which is ridiculous. Who's gonna clean that many? When we get back home, we'll clean up 25. We're gonna skin them, fillet them, put them in a freezer bag, and then Fern will have them ready for fish fry. But if you're new here, you want to see more kayak camping, kayak fishing, anything of that nature, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.